Lows around 70. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Montgomery County, Warren County in southwestern Ohio, Miami County, northern Clinton County in southwestern Ohio, northeastern Preble County, western Clark County, southeastern Darke County, Greene County, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:45 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Lewisburg to Miamisburg to near Kings Island, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dayton, Kettering, Middletown, Beaver Creek, Huber Heights, Fairborn, Mason, Xenia, Troy, Trotwood, Piqua, Miamisburg, Lebanon, Springboro, Vandalia, Englewood, Wilmington, Monroe, Loveland, and Franklin. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 9 and 51. Interstate 71 in Ohio between mile markers 24 and 59. Interstate 75 in Ohio between mile markers 31 and 84. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Wind damage with these storms may occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.